Right out tuchokana tinende kamete yongane mombirane tumirete mibango ya kuruguria uchunkoni bamanto yara kudira kinyela kiana bare munamno kuma county iriti yeri nyubaba kyari nande kibanda to bichine yangabana njoke bawugete kuri nabata ya guchwera ntaira madina ya bakyuga wagi bakigena kirima chukuru ne kemo kemanto yara kudira kyangaratana ke kidomo kirimwana wa mari muduri muriuki nande to yankuruki
Mudira narua akamishina ba National Gender Equality ibakinyite ndene kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi bakinyite obisine ngavana Tharaka Nithi nakyote kingi nikenda bomba kwariria manto yegekana gakari urakoneka nikainyiriitwe bakiugana ni batwa ntaira mwanya ya gutigira manto yaja itakuthoja kithira
na ni kama kulutha uthundhuria kana research egie kumenya mauntu ma kithomo ma kana gaka iritu makinyite ba kogu tukwalangia on the kilishinu ya kithomo gya kana gakari buria kibati kuruthwa kogu kithomo gikimalutha research inu kana uthundhuria inu report yauka nio tukamenya essentially igatwa device buria tukarutha in our programming.
The Ministry of Education has a policy that allows for readmission of learners immediately or once they feel they are strong enough to rejoin the education system. The ministry makes provision when the girl is expectant for purposes of attending antenatal clinic, and we have trained our heads of institution such that they are able to assist these girls when they are in school so that they are taken care of by the Ministry of Health and get all the attention that they require during this time.
Onto jabubu budikete nene kaunti ya Meru kamishina baba batrimena kaunti commissioner Meru no Jacob Ouma akuga thineji ekana gakari kuonekana nya kaunti ya Meru itirethure kithira.
We emphasize as a commission the need for resourcing of capitalization so that schools can provide stable, safe and dignified environment for our learners. We know that when schools are underfunded, it is girls who often bear the brunt through absenteeism, early dropouts, or poor preparation. Yes, indeed, in just like what we have in the whole country, it is a crisis that has to be dealt up with, and Meru is not excluded. And that is why we are here as a commission also.
Ni kweli ya kwamba idadi ya wasichana haswa ambao wanatoka shule kwa sababu ya mimba za mapema bado ni changamoto. Ni kweli ya kwamba tungali tuko na hali ambazo zinawazuia watoto wetu na haswa wa kike kuendelea na masomo yao kutoka viwango vya msingi hadi viwango vya upili na hata vyuoni na kwingineko. Na ni kweli ya kwamba tunapoangalia takwimu za kitaifa, Meru haijajisaza bado.
Mudhuri Murioki, Uro TV, Muturi wa Kangangi.